My name's Scott Willeke. I'm a group product manager at GrapeCity, and we create products. We have products for developers, reporting and spreadsheet tools for developers. We also have a services division that creates custom software in the US. We have a headquarters in Seattle, Washington, and we also have a headquarters in Japan. GrapeCity works with very large enterprises. We work with both internal applications for large companies and also some commercial applications for companies. We also create components for developers that are used in just about any company you can imagine, especially large enterprises that need reporting or spreadsheet components, business intelligence built into their applications, and work very closely with a lot of developers. So with our developer products, we have a licensing and activation system for them today, and we host our own servers for doing that. And with hosting those servers comes a lot of cost. It's expensive for us to host them. Reliability and uptime is absolutely essential, because if they're not up, then when people install our components and our products, they can't use them. So in order to maintain that uptime, we have invested heavily in some infrastructure, and as our customer base continues to grow, so does our cost, really, with that infrastructure. So that's why we're looking at Azure, actually, and we expect it to lower our costs and increase our reliability and our uptime at the same time. GrapeCity, we're about 1,000 people now, and we're the largest component vendor in the world. So we have a lot of people in-house that have come from reporting, business intelligence, spreadsheet background, that are all getting up to speed, really excited about getting our products into Azure, and along with our custom services division, who are in the middle of actually working on a project on Azure and bringing that to production, which we expect maybe 100,000 users to be on that in the future. Our product, we have Active Reports, which is the most popular reporting product on the .NET platform. We've been working with Active Reports since 1998 now, and we are looking at taking that, making sure that you can use things like SQL Azure with Active Reports, make sure you have a way to report on that data, and you have that, developers have that embeddable reporting solution in there. And recently, the Farpoint Spread product, we're merging with that team, and they also have interesting ways to use spreadsheets and embed spreadsheets into your applications, both web and WinForms applications. And so along with those two very powerful products for developers, we think that, and our experience with Azure, as we're working with it already, we think we have a really powerful offering for developers to get started on Azure. Three key things for Azure for me are that it's productive. Developers are productive immediately. You get uptime for free. You don't ever have to worry about a web server going down. And you're in comfortable tools inside of Visual Studio that we're used to.